Hello everybody, today welcome back to Mr. Money Daily Lifestyle Eating. And Mr. Money today is so sleepy and so lazy. Yeah, everything. He lazy, even though eating, drinking. Mr. Money don't want to eat or don't want to drink now. Everyone that you know that Mr. Money today. Hey boy.
Look at it first.
Why your face look that so lonely?
Hello.
That sign that you're sleepy?
Ôi ơi, cô đã nào kia. Money ơi. Money. Nhâm môi mà. Tỏ, dương. Tỏ, dương. Sập bài, okay? Happy. Not satisfied like this.
Tỏ lên đâu.
Tỏ
Let's
lên.
go to play. Let's go to visit anywhere. Do you want to go? Boy. By just 12 o'clock. 12 p.m. là ba.
Yeah. It's a midday. For that. You are so sleepy also.
Okay, everybody. You yawn.
Con này. Hey, father and daddy, be like enemy also.
Why you stay on my face?
Rồi, tao qua.
Yeah.
Come on.
Stand up.
Hey.
Stand up. Stand up. Lên. Mà thử. Mà ngáp cái vì một. Stand up. Hey, go. Sit there. Đi. Bài bụng đây. Thở right.
Mà đây.
Đi. Thở right.
He's not copy.
Thở right.
Because they're sleepy.
Thở right. Đi. Đi đi. Stay. Look at there. Lên there.
Đi thử.
Listen to me. Look at there. Boy. Okay, everybody.
That one.
Now, Mr. Money today is so difficult to teach him. Một cái thơ mộ. Lần chu. Lần sen. Oh my God. Why you say like that? Baby, why you say like that?
Oh my God. Anh nhắm vai mày trời mà xem lần.
Everybody that you can know that Mr. Money now is so sad. Boy, why you so sad? Who make you sad? Who make you sad like that? Okay, so now you can see your food.
Okay.
Maybe when you see your food, you will be good feeling. Everybody. Here.
Dạ.
Yeah. Nè, một bột vào.
Cái bột canh nàyច្រើនnè.
Okay, for the smell.
Yeah. This yellow one is a fry of cabbage.
Cabbage fry, the vegetable fry.
Yeah.
That is pork fry with crockery.
Yeah.
And his steam rice also. Okay, ta boy, mặc phải coi.
That is bacon.
Mặc. Hit bacon à. Ồ.
Hey.
Cho chất tầm miêu kìa đấy.
Yeah. Ây da.
Một
Hey.
cái ở đây kia khơi bài kìa tới đây. Bạn kia
Sleepy but eating like the airplane.
like the
Rocket.
aircraft, yeah. Thì vì thế anh ấy lịch to sạch.
Cái bài ta.
Sạch lên bài ăn thơm mục chu. Everybody know that maybe Mr. Money is so hungry that he is so
Hey, bài ọt mà xong bài nhâm dần. Why you hungry and don't come along with me? You stay far away and see. Đục cả lông cục. Let us record that cannot measuring the mind of the money like this. Set, but food grip.
We don't know. We cannot touch Mr. Money feeling by evaluate from his sign.
Nhắm nó cơ. Refresh.
Trong nhâm cái ta nhé. Trong ta cái ta mình đông nhâm.
Tự oi money cho Vinh lịch.
Mình lịch tiền.
Nè, tụi cho tụi Vinh lịch. Hey, boy, this cabbage, eat that. Wow.
Before that, you can taste that Mr. Money now is challenging with his food. But today I fried the cabbage for him.
Yeah.
So how can he eat? Everybody, let's see.
Wow, let's see.
Mr. Money finished. Oh what?
Thấy con này. Hey, the boy. Money. Come on.
Money à? Ông mới thấy chưa chẳng ấy? Mà.
What the hell?
Nói.
Money. Come on. Let's eat your vegetable. Hurry up. Smart boy con ta. Slack con. Bài mà đây Money. Bài mà này. Cái khăn gì nhằm cho âm tiết. Seems like difficult than eating bone. Rồi.
Rất là rôm vậy.
Nhắm con. Ồ, smart boy nhắm con. Slap.
Nhà mình đang thích slide đấy nè. Hay vẫn mượm điện. Chết chọn xây điện.
Ồ.
Chảy men. Thật cưng ghế đã trà cưng. Wow, amazing that Mr. Money still eat vegetable, especially come back every week with chả cưng này. Oh my god, that boy.
What?
Yeah. Lick my finger.
Con này và hỏi con. Money. Đi đó.
Money, đây đi. Hai bằng mắt á. Big boy chanh á. Đây rồi. Wow. Đây boy.
Mà tới con. Đây được thùng bạc rồi đó. Ôi, good job.
Oh, good boy. Just sleepy but eating money done always eat. Eating for eating, Mr. Money don't never over. Never lost. Okay, everybody. So now let Mr. Money enjoy his drinking.
Oh. Map. Okay, gonna refill the cool water for him. But the eye fell. Oh, just still one. Chẳng ngon á.
Cold water and ice is the best for Mr. Money.
Favorite. Ok, cảm ơn nhằm tắt tí chết đó con, nhằm tắt tí chết đó con nó. Ta ta ta.
Okay, thank you so much everybody. Then now that you enjoy Mr. Money, don't forget to supporting us by like, subscribe and share this video and comment what you want to talk with us. That's action that's so about your motivating me to make a more video releasing to all of you and to show our love pet to the world. Thank you so much everybody. See you with the new video. Bye bye everyone.